Ladder
We have to go right because we'll get.
Cool, if these things were usable. Parkour, parkour! Ugh, dude, I drank some sink water. The boat's coming back.
Alright, let's get ready to go.
It doesn't taste dirty, but it tastes like weird, man. Sink water. Hold up. It almost makes me like nauseous.
Yeah, the ferry. Yes.
Jaws. Oh, we go with hybrid on this bad boy. Loud noises.
Let's see where circle goes and we'll give me the phone.
All right.
Yeah, probably wait for us around that if we can get there.
This guy still music? Okay. Roar!
Does not appear to be blue.
My God, this freaking boat is loud. Oh, Panzer.
Oh no.
Oh no. Pushing up, pushing up. Pushing up, pushing up.
I'm running.
I did not know you guys had people. And he left. Don't worry about picking him up. Just worry about getting together.
They're peeking Green Rock. Tagged him up a little bit.
A 249 spray is crazy. You don't have volume?
You know what? Can you thread this through here?
I think you're capping because I'm pretty sure there's volume.
Push these guys.
I was hurting. I had to get out inside the zone.
Yeah, no worries, man.
Yeah, there's volume. Just wasn't listening.
Where?
Knocked on green, knocked on green. One's at the shit shack up here on New Green. Think.
Yeah, they're picking him up.
But
right
I
there.
am
I have a
here.
Russian friend who is a sound engineer and a Czech one too.
You're gonna have to
And a
flank him.
check
But I am
one,
here.
too.
I'm gonna eat real quick. Gonna hang
What's
out.
up, Endiv? How you doing, man? Happy Thursday. I like that one. That's a good one. That is a
Start
good one.
distracting him, then he'll push even more.
Kind of far, and there's only 18 seconds left till the zone comes in.
Sounds like a bunch of excuses. Oh.
Do you have a car over there, Green, by any chance?
No, I don't think so.
Alright.
We just gotta push these guys on orange.
Eyes on me?
By the way, what's up, Slow Crawl?
Oh, this isn't good.
Yep, they knocked me out.
Copy. And a check 1, 2. 1, 2.
I'm just gonna get all the way under the water so they can't get my shit.
It floats back up.
Unless you guys want to get my chip.
I'll go
Yeah.
for it. Try.
If we win it, we'll try to win this.
I was hoping to find a car over here, but I didn't see anything.
Alright, they're in my boat, and my chip is in the water.
Okay. Well, if they're in the boat, we can laser these guys.
There's
They
3 of
left.
them, I think. They're in my boat right now.
I'll try to get his chip. They left already.
Okay. Dude, if he jumps down,
I
he
was
can't
just
get
about to
back
mark
up.
that for you.
Oh, fuck. Who the hell's shooting me? This is bad.
No, that's no bueno.
Yeah, I got shot like bad.
Wicked bad. Wicked mo bad.
Crim's absolutely demolished us on.
Get the chip, brother?
Yeah, I got it, but this is not good for me.
Yeah, it's a tough spot.
I think you're gonna die.
Yeah, that's whack. Sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys. Yeah,
still-
I don't.
I got shot. It was just bad. Horrible.
Green, you gonna win this?
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try, man. A little sketchy. Basically in a solo squad into phase 5.
I should have just kept going to the bridge.
What's up, Lemma? Oh, a little high. What?
A little high, brother.
A little high, huh?
Good hit.
A little high. Should be a team out there to the right. Woo!
That's crazy.
Shit! No.
Reload, bro.
Thank you. I gotta get folded.
He's laying down in that smoke to your right.
Well, that is a GG. 3 whole days, huh? Damn it! GG, man, GG. I hear you, bud. Dude, it's tough. It's tough without my the wifey here. I'm gonna tomorrow we're gonna start like way earlier though. Like way earlier. Thinking maybe like 10 a.m. even. I don't know. Especially with it's this hot. Super hot. Super hot. Let me find somebody real quick. Oh.
Well,
The word of the day is early, apparently. And then we'll do one more giveaway. Yeah, one more. We got one more here. Mr. Cognizant Clay. Alright, guys. Hey, man, thank you. Anyone know how to tell if you have an Xbox Series S?
see what we got going on. Schedule for God, I hate this stuff. What's up, first?
Two people.
Where? Where are the people?
I saw two, but I don't know where did they go.
Oh. On me. Lame. They were very sneaky.
Good morning, Mr. Bora. How's jail? No.
Ok, eso solo. ¿Cómo está la cárcel?
How's jail?
¿Cómo es la cárcel?
Fea.
Good.
Up, Hennessy? Thanks for the road.
You now have picked up another DWI while you're on bond for DWI. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On October 13th, 2024, officers were dispatched in regard to a traffic hazard at West Belfort and Nobility Drive in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, officers met with the defendant, who was observed to be parked on northbound lane with her truck on and in park and asleep at the wheel. When the defendant finally woke up after multiple
Hey, thank
attempts,
you for
the officers observed glassy eyes, constricted pupils, an odor of an alcoholic beverage, and open and closed alcoholic containers in the
How
vehicle,
can you talk
and spilled alcohol in the
listen to
front
this
portion.
person
In the car while she's driving?
Yes, Your Honor. She was not the only occupant. The defendant admitted to consuming alcohol prior to operating the vehicle. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted. HGN 2 out of 6, walk and turn 4 out of 8, in the one leg stand.
Paro de una pierna. But not too
Right.
fast, man.
Yes.
Thanks.
2 out of 4.
Dos de cuatro pisos en el paro de una pierna.
DIC was read,
Advertencia se leyó.
and the defendant consented to breath test.
Consentimiento previo.
The results were
Los resultados fueron
.162 and .156.
.156. Thank you.
Is that her? Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. What is that?
¿Qué es eso?
I don't think she reads English, Your Honor.
Okay.
If you want me to ask her if she knows if that's her signature?
Te firmó diciendo que no vas a manejar. Sí.
Es mi juramento.
It's my swearing. My affidavit.
I want to express my deepest disappointment
Molestia más profunda.
and we ordered you not to drive and you promised us you would not drive. And now you've picked up another DWI.
Otro caso de manejo ebrio.
Judge, I've already spoken with the state. We're gonna see what we need to work out.
I don't know if I'm going to take anything today, Marcos.
She has been in custody for 2 days, Your Honor. I understand.
Entiendo.
It screams to me that there are issues, and the last thing I want is to have her go back out there and kill someone. I mean, we have 2 DWIs in rapid succession, .19, and a bunch of alcohol in the car,
I will say, Your Honor,
allegedly.
and I've already spoken with the state about the first one. The first one is not a strong case for the state. She's the one who called 911 because she was assaulted outside of a club. The fire department got there before the officers. They saw her in the passenger seat with a bloody face. And her arm was injured as well. I spoke with the state.
I don't remember. All I know that there was enough PC to go forward. There's an affidavit. She promised us she's not going to drive.
I understand. There's also a question on the second one as to whether she was operating or not. There are 3 people in the vehicle. And again, all of this, we're going to try to flush out
I gotta get
with the evidence.
Do this one.
Sure.
That's where I was going to try to get her a bond.
I'm never going to say no. Good morning, Mr. Woods. Trevion Woods. Mr. Woods, you're charged with possession of marijuana. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Remember, make it the cause number for this.
2533 007.
Okay. Officers observed the defendant walking in the middle of the street when a sidewalk was available next to him. And the officers asked the defendant for his Texas driver's license.
Again,
Yes, Your Honor.
jaywalking,
Yes, Your Honor.
again,
The officers discovered a warrant out for the defendant's arrest out of McLennan County for aggravated sexual assault of a child. And the officers detained the defendant and discovered a gun and 6 grams of marijuana.
hold on. So
Wow.
what, walking while,
It was walking in the middle of the
while
street.
black again? Again, jaywalking? Where?
Let me read the officer report.
It sounds like he was detained pursuant to the warrant.
But they didn't know that. I mean, it just, unless the officer knew him, I mean,
Yes, Your Honor. The DIMS just says the officer observed the defendant not walking or walking in the middle of the street.
so, dude, you gotta be careful in this life, man. You know, just do the right thing. It's not hard, man. All right, I'm gonna find no probable cause, Mr. Woods. You gotta be careful, man. You know?
So they can't hold him on the warrant.
So is he on bond currently for the other case now as well, or no? You know what? Doesn't even matter. Just be careful in this life. You have but one life. How old are you? You're 24. What are you doing now? Working, school? Good. Get your education. The more you educate yourself, the higher you're going to rise up in life. It correlates with money too. The higher education you got, more money you're going to make in life, the better you are off. That's the rub. That's what you got to do. All right? Okay, man. Hang tight for me, okay? Please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hi.
I am approaching on Ronald Smith.
Okay.
And so,
Oh, great.
Yes.
So I don't know why we had you not signed on.
Yeah, I'm not sure. So I know I was talking to my client. So I had submitted I don't want you to think it was last minute. The motion on the sub was submitted in, okay. Yeah, in the PTI packet that it wasn't submitted last minute either. That was done last month with the
It's-
previous sheet. Okay.
Okay, don't
Okay,
worry.
just wanted to make sure.
How long do you want?
Oh, just till the 30th. He's supposed to finish his anger management class on the 25th. And so if we could just do the reset to the 30th, that works
Okay
for
with
us. Okay,
He's not, he doesn't have it done, but he's got to be here.
yeah. Okay, all right, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're okay. Ms. Sexton, Mr. Smith wants to talk with you. Do you want to talk with me?
Yeah, I guess.
Hi, Mr. Smith. How are you?
I just want to apologize for my mental for you this whole time.
You don't have to. I love the tenacity. I love the chutzpah, which you will. But channel that in a great way, because if you do, the sky's the limit. Really.
This would have been over and done had I just came and approached you in a correct way instead of just being angry.
You know, let me tell you a story. I got pulled over a while back. The officer came to me. He was so aggressive. Why did you run that red light? What's wrong with you? So I said, you know what? I know I stopped. I swear I stopped. But the officer came at me like crazy and I said, you know, I'm sorry. I was an idiot. Just, I'll do better next time. You know what he did? He let me go.
Probably didn't hurt that he was
So-
a judge.
Sometimes when you tuck your tail, you get more. You get more with honey than you do with vinegar, right? And it's always when you're with a person in power, especially with a person that has a power of arrest, you buck up to them, it's over. You're always going to lose.
Always.
That's what you do.
In the
It's called
moment, you're
maturity as
always
well,
going to lose.
You know?
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Okay.
Thank
Taken by
you.
demon by. Oh, wow. Wow, that's a
Good luck, Mr.
that's a
Smith.
heck of a name.
Ready?
We have Rudy Ochoa here.
Mr. Ochoa, come up.
That's a heck of a name. Taken. Mr. Ochoa. What did you do, Mr. Ochoa?
Council for reset.
Mr. Ochoa, you're on bond for DWI. You've not picked up a new case. You picked up an interference with the duties of public. You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On October 11th, 2024, officers responded to a call regarding sexual assault of a juvenile at an apartment in Harris County, Texas. Officers made contact with a family member and went upstairs to detain the defendant for investigation. The defendant refused to cooperate with verbal commands, tried to take control of the situation, tried to stall officers, and stated he did not need to be detained because he did not do anything. The officer physically escorted the defendant out the front door, during which the defendant argued with other family members, refused to cooperate, and actively pulled away from the officer.
Just call you. We'll call you.
What was the result of the investigation? What happened? Was he the suspect in sexual assault?
Your Honor, let me read the DIMS. I don't believe we have that information.
I asked before I approached and there was nothing in the notes.
There's no other information. They
And
were just
he-
investigating the.
Did he
reported sexual-
cooperate? Obviously, when they had him in cuffs, he went and answered whatever question.
Obviously not.
He was pulling away,
They're
Your Honor.
saying.
No. After he was already.
Yeah.
Whatever they
So how are you doing
needed
today?
I asked you one thing.
First of all, how old are
Actually,
you?
two things.
That
You've
way
not picked
we're
up
not
any
going.
case.
We don't.
Mr. Ochoa, I'm
I
sorry,
have
but
this-
I'm going to revoke your bond. Goes with you.
Boyfriend Spider-Man. All right, that's wild. Peter Parker, I guess.
I will keep the first bond it is. He's on bond on that first case. I'm just going to revoke the old one and I'll put it at 5,002.
Okay.
And then I guess just talk to me in a day or so if he's not able to make bond and I won't,
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
And then for the DWI, that I guess he's.
I have a lot
we're
of
still
people
waiting
come
for
by
some
with
videos.
that are young
Okay,
that try
so
to troll me.
He will
So I just gotta-
auto-populate on tomorrow's docket.
Moderated, I guess.
So if you want a different date, we can give you a different date, or if he bonds out, which I'm assuming he's going to, they're gonna give him a 7-day setting. And if he's unable to bond out, just come talk to me tomorrow and then we can. do something. If he does bond out, he's gonna get a 7-day setting and then let Victoria know and then you guys can have whatever date.
Okay, thank you,
I'm
Judge.
not gonna modify any of the conditions. We'll just stay as is.
Okay.
Okay? Snake.
And Judge, you're revoking that.
Janine.
Yes, sir, I will plead, Judge.
All right.
We're gonna plead Mr. Walter Moses.
What's up, Spider-Man?
We're proceeding on the assault of a family member case under cause number 2510200, Your Honor. And the state upon completion of the plea will dismiss cause number 2510615.
Good morning, Mr. Moses. How are you?
Good.
Why does this keep happening? This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but it's the 6th time you picked up a kind of case where it's a violent case. Actually, 7. It keeps happening. Why? Why so much anger? Do you take any medication?
Yes, sir.
Do you stop taking the medication?
No, sir.
How do you get your medication when you're out there in the free world? When you picked up these 2 cases, had you stopped taking the medication?
No, sir.
You were still taking it?
I actually finished it.
Meaning, so you finished, you didn't have any more.
Still gonna pick it up.
Guy is terrified. Absolutely terrified right now.
We had him T-Raz. T-Raz said mental health caseload, or what did they say? And that's what we're doing, right? Okay. What are the other alternatives that we have?
They want to do the mental health case, IFP, thinking for a change, and then they're gonna help them with the counseling.
Um,
And then we'll report, twice a month. So that's how they make sure that you.
What about paying for IOP and all that?
If he qualifies to be the top funded one, because he'll be responsible.
I mean, how do we make sure that he qualifies? Because I don't, Mr. Moses, do you work when you go out? When you're out of jail, do you work? Who do you live
Sorry,
with?
no, sir, you want
It's okay, Mr. D. Who do you live with? And
Your-
when you
your
leave
mom?
here now, are you going to be able to stay with mom?
Yes, sir.
Do you know that for?
fact you want.
Before you were in jail, who were you living with?
Yeah.
Council for reset?
One of the things that you're going to have to do is an intensive outpatient treatment. The problem is that it's expensive. It's not cheap. It's around $500 to $600 to do that. And I don't know if that's something that you can, that you have to be able to pay for. If not, I want to try to get you to, I want to see if we can pay for it. How do we,
I'll do a indigency form with him, and then he'll be placed on the wait list if he qualifies. He's on probation, or he'll be on probation for 2 years. So he'll be fine.
if this fails, what else do we have at our disposal?
If this goes and he starts violating, then he'll place him in the dirt. That's how it is.
So I want you to understand, Mr. Moses, that we want this to work for you, but you also have to want it to work. If you do something to violate this agreement, you don't do your treatment, you don't stay up on your probation, if you just leave, they're going to, one of the options is putting you in a residential facility. Do you understand what that means? That means that you will be in, it's not in the actual jail, it's at another facility, right? It's at a lockdown facility that you will not be able to leave, and then you'll be getting treatment. We are trying to do it this way so that you can try to do this while you're out there in the free world doing this by yourself. But if you're not able to, we're going to have to take other measures to get this done. Do you know what's required for you to successfully finish? What do you have to do? Yes. What programs do you have to do? Do you know? You have to do anger management class, right? It's a,
Thank you for a change.
okay, so just you have to do a thinking for a change, which is a class where you teaches you how to think when you're in a bad situation. You also have to do outpatient treatment so that we know that you're actually speaking to people, working through any kind of anger issues that you may have.
Yes, sir. And substance abuse.
And substance abuse. No drugs, no alcohol. You cannot use any illegal drugs, including marijuana. No marijuana, no illegal drugs, and no alcohol. They're going to test you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you complete this successfully, you do not end up with a conviction. But you need to understand that there's still,
You will be a convicted judge, it's straight probation.
oh, it is straight.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Oh, I thought it was a
They told me
deferred.
because he had the state jail conviction up in felony court and the numerous of cases that he had that were assaultive in nature, that they were not willing to offer him.
Okay. This assault, it's going on your record. There's what's called an affirmative finding of family violence. If you pick up another case like this, you will be facing a third-degree felony. Minimum 2 years in a prison, a maximum of 10 years in prison if you ever pick up another assault like this again. Do you understand? That's years in prison, not days like you are here. Years. You can never own a gun or ammunition as a result of this as well. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, so no guns, no ammunitions as well. I'm sorry, it's no weapons, right?
Yes.
No weapons. Weapons is a very loose term. If you have any questions about what a weapon is, you have to talk to a lawyer, but be very, very careful. You understand?
Sir.
You give up the right to a trial. right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you cannot change your mind. You must complete this, and it's a 2-year probation. You understand? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty, sentence you to 1 year in jail. However, I will probate that for 2 years. You've already done it, TRAS, so we don't need to do that, but intensive outpatient treatment, thinking for a change, and the mental health caseload. If you ever have a problem, come back to us here. We can help you if you come here. But if you just leave and don't do anything, that's the worst thing that can happen. Don't leave. Come back.
Yo, what's up?
Good things will happen if you come back.
What's up, Op?
Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Give me questions. Good luck, Mr. Moses. I hope that you can make it. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No. He's banned. Yes. Hold on, Mr. D. I forgot something. Hold on. I forgot. Hey, I don't think he's gonna have anything to pay for anything. So we need, like, we gotta get him. Okay. I have to have you sign one more document that you need to understand, Mr. Moses, that you are now ineligible, meaning that you cannot have a firearm or ammunition. I'm going to read this to you so you understand this, okay? A firearm means any device designated, made, or adapted to expel a projectile through a barrel by using an energy generated by an explosion or burning substance, or any device readily convertible to that use. If you now possess a firearm or ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have any questions about how long you will be ineligible, you must talk to a lawyer, and they should be able to contact you and consult you about that. I need you to sign this so you understand that you cannot have any more weapons, okay? Okay, all right. Thank you, Mr. D.
What's up, Sig? Yes. Again, Op.
Hey, Matt. How are you? Yeah, come on up.
This case,
That's the defendant?
yes, that is the defendant, Keener, Keener.
Okay, I see it.
I'm approaching to ask for more time, for a longer reset. This was a case, there was a 2B from December of 22.
Okay.
He posted bond, I think in May of 24, and he didn't hire anyone. He got a bunch of
You know what?
What?
I'm gonna pass this case, and because I want to make sure that I'm listening to you, and I don't think these other people that are sitting in here should have to wait through your shenanigans. So have a seat.
Say something, but she was in school.
Okay. No, sir, that picture is not going to happen that way. You're not going to sit up there and display things to the court that way.
Okay, I asked first. I'm sorry. I've mentioned her a lot, so I just wanted you to see her.
All right, let's deal with your motion first, Mr. Kemp.
Your Honor, did you get the evidence package, the exhibit evidence? I asked the girls when I walked in. Nice ladies up front.
I have these picture exhibits. I don't know if Ms. Dornbush has them or not, but
No.
I have them.
You do have them?
Your Honor, I do not have them, just so the court is aware.
All right.
I thought they were both sent because I have a double thing where you could send group, and I sent them. Your Honor, I just, with due process, the most important thing is being heard, and I haven't been able to be heard yet and state my case.
He hasn't been
I'm
heard.
defending myself with all these accusations. And, you know, that's why I know I missed the trial, but there's all kinds of things, reasons for it. I've met all the demands of the court. If you remember, I was before you for 4 or 5 months in a row dealing with the rent, and we made decisions, and I lived up to the demands and so on and so forth. So I did you read the motion where I gave you?
Sir, I have read everything
Okay.
that comes in this.
All right. I didn't know. I'm just, I want to have a trial.
Sir, I gave you that opportunity to have a trial on October 30th, and you failed to appear.
I know, but fails to appear sometimes happens. Can I read something to you, Your Honor? This is all diversion programs and sent down by the Attorney General to try and help tenant landlord disputes. But a judge could take a proactive role in the hearing by ensuring that both parties
Sir,
know.
what are you reading from?
It's recommendations from, we never even got a chance to talk or settle. I mean, we had a last settlement conference, but we didn't talk about anything. And before that, the attorney and the landlord, or I'm sorry, the property manager kept me from talking to him. We couldn't even try and settle. And throughout the whole thing, all the legal stuff that I read is that you try and work it out before the eviction case. And also I have, this is for sure a retaliatory eviction, and you wouldn't even let me speak on it the one time I brought it up because.
Sir, you know what?
What? If you give me a trial, Your Honor, did you read the character references my neighbor sent you?
Do not.
The Mitchell.
Do not come here.
What?
At this hour, questioning me.
I'm not
about what you think I haven't read. I have just told you that I read everything in the file.
I apologize.
Do not come here before me, because all of these people have been sitting here. They've been here, and tell me ever that I won't give somebody an opportunity to be heard. Do not insult this court that way. Do not insult me that way. Now, if you want to start your argument again, you may, but you will not sit here and impugn the character of this court or of me with regard to listening to tenants and landlords regarding these proceedings. And you will not attempt to try to school me with some literature as to how to handle a case. I have been doing, you know what?
What?
I'm gonna pass this case, and because I want to make sure that I'm listening to you. And I don't think these other people that are sitting in here should have to wait through your shenanigans. So have a seat.
I'm confused, Your Honor, please. I didn't say it was you. I said due process. That's all I said.
Have a seat.
I wasn't saying anything.
Have a seat and keep your mouth closed.
Very, very angry fellow there.
You throw something down again, we're going to have a problem. Will you throw something down again, we're going to have a problem.
Sorry.
Let me retry this. Court recalls the case of River Ridge versus Timothy Kelly.
He's so stressed out.
This is your motion to set aside the default judgment. There are two parts to the setting aside of a default judgment before you start going on. The first part is that you have to have good cause for failure to appear. State every reason for your good cause for failure to appear for the trial.
Oh, you want me to state it now?
I asked the question.
Okay, I'm sorry. I thought you were making a statement. Well,
Did he ask a question or did he make a
iterated in the
statement?
motion statement.
I asked for the trial failure to appear. State every reason for your good cause for failure to appear for the trial.
State every reason for
Oh, you
your.
want me to state it now?
I asked the question.
Okay, I'm sorry. I thought you were making a statement. Well, iterated in the motion that one, I don't have transportation. It's very hard to get it. I don't have the money for an Uber or a taxi or any of that. If you recall, I told you, for one of the hearings, I rode my bike 30 miles round trip. So it's not that I wasn't trying to get here. And I also, right from the beginning, everything I've told you has been the truth. I mean, in the beginning we had trouble with the rent. I told you that I was also going through litigation with a friend of the court. And as a father, that's a very hard thing to figure out and such. So that's one of the reasons was my daughter called me that night. She had an emergency and I had to take care of it. And she was with me the next day, the trial day. And
we received no notification or phone call from you indicating that there was some delay or some reason why you couldn't be here that day.
None, nothing. No communication.
Why you didn't call the court?
Yes, and I'll tell you, that week.
Why didn't you call?
My phone, and it broke, and I had no way to call anybody.
How did your daughter get a hold of you?
Way to get any of my trial stuff out. I couldn't access anything. I didn't have the money to buy another phone. So for 4 days, 5 days there, I was in purgatory, so to speak, without being able to communicate, without being able to get anything off the phone pertaining to the trial or this case. And that's the truth.
You mean you couldn't have found a place to call from?
Pardon me?
You couldn't have found a place to call the court from?
Yes, well, I was in the middle of this. Look at my child. I don't want to put it on record yet because it has to do with some serious things going on with her safety wise. So, and I didn't know, it's very hard I don't want to, can I ask you a question about the trial? I mean, I don't want you to think I'm questioning your judgment, but I'm confused about why it was set on to the bench when I demanded a jury trial way back.
We have already gone through this. You failed to comply with the escrow order. Plaintiff was entitled to a trial as to the issue of possession, an immediate trial. I set it out a few days. We have been through this. I'm not relitigating everything, nor answering all of the questions that I've asked, that I've answered for you in the past, Mr. Kelly. I'm just not doing it.
I don't recall us talking about whether it was going to be a bench or a jury. Honest, Your Honor. And
Your Honor, I can state the exact date that this was addressed because I specifically emailed the court to clarify if the jury was waived and was able to verify. So I can remind the court the exact date that conversation happened.
I thought at that time that it was
I'm not going back over this.
Your Honor, if you would listen if I could cross-examine witnesses and bring my witnesses in, you'd see a different light on this, I swear. I haven't been able to present anything. You don't, I mean, may I ask you another question that I don't get? I'm not questioning you, but I wasn't there and I don't understand how it came to the trespass and the witnesses that I can't go around them. What was said that you think I'm a danger to the community?
It wasn't an issue of you necessarily being a danger to the community. They were trespassing you after the writ would issue. It's as simple as that.
Okay, well, I mean, those were a couple on the list were friends. I mean, I get along with Kevin, and so I didn't understand why I was out, but it was a good reason. I want you to know the facts of the case. That's
The
all.
second thing is that you have to state to the court of meritorious defense. Please state your meritorious defenses, Mr. Kelly.
Well, can you help me out with the meaning of that more?
No.
No? Okay. Well, I don't, I know
Yeah,
have
I
a
do
right
that
to
sometimes.
counsel, but all the resources are used up. I have tried for since this case began to get some help from the state and all the resources that are listed, and nobody, they're all filled up. I think it's hard to even express because I'm afraid I'll offend you. And
Sir, do not try to blame me.
I'm not blaming
for
you
this.
at all.
You just need to say what you're going to say.
Okay, well,
I don't think that there's anybody that comes before this court.
You mean that in the DM?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
I just saw the link there just now.
Oh, okay. Did you see my comment about my stomach though? I don't know if you saw that or not. Oh, okay. I should be okay right now. I have what's called diverticulitis. I don't know if you're familiar with that.
Yeah, it's terrible.
And it yeah, it is bad sometimes.
Yeah.
So right now I have just a small thing happening, but hopefully
Well, if you need to go, you can go. No problem.
Yeah,
I'm not going to hold it against you.
Yeah, like
I'm live
there's
on my
been
end, by
times.
the way, just so you know.
What's that?
I'm live on my end, just so you know.
Oh, hey. Oh, hey, everybody out there. All right. I might as well get going. Sorry then. Alrighty then. I will get her going. All right. Well, we're live on my end as well. All right. Well, thank you, Andrew, for being here.
Welcome.
Yeah, I was just saying a little while ago, glad to have you back. This is going to be a much better conversation for all who are here. And it's a very interesting topic. I've really been thinking about this actually ever since you first kind of posed it, and then after our conversation and a little bit, it's been very intriguing looking into this particular topic.
Yeah, it's the problem when you look through things through a historic lens is we often think like, well, what might have been? How could this have looked in a different way? Is it the case that if this event didn't happen or there was no chain fire from it, that we would have an entirely different society, and what would that look like? So I do think that it's worth discussing these. I consider them key to my political ideology, in fact.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, it's going to be, I'm actually, to be completely blunt, I'm actually very curious to hear your thoughts. Last time around, maybe I just didn't have a good attitude about it. I don't know what it was, but yeah. So when we briefly talked a little while ago, I think it's kind of a good idea for us to both kind of maybe just briefly share our perspectives. That way we kind of get that fully out there without really anything. So if you want to maybe just kind of maybe lay out your case, I don't speak for 5+ minutes, whatever, and just kind of lay out where you're coming from. That way
Well,
I can hear it.
I'll try to actually keep it brief. So the basic idea here is erosion of authority. We're just talking about the erosion of authority. That's it. So when I think about how we think about rights, things like rights and entitlements and things like this in modernity, most of that comes from the idea that we're individualistically kings. We're all individually in charge. We all individually have authority. And I think that that's led to some serious logical issues and logical problems socially with society. When I track this back, these ideas back to John Locke and to others who began the idea of natural rights absent a God, right? They're just kind of built into the structure, the fabric of reality. You can see the pathway being paved to him from reformers like Martin Luther, like John Calvin, and like others who had these kind of various ideas of where authority came from and the ideas of authority. And so I don't think that that's necessarily healthy. It's not really healthy for people. We're pack animals, right? We think collectively to a degree, and we act collectively because we have to. But when we've kind of eliminated those modes of individual or, of any sort of collective action for individualism based on authority, like the individual's the ultimate authority on things, I think that's where we see a deviation. So I'm not arguing whether or not it was a good thing or a bad thing that that Protestants went against the Catholic Church. Okay, so my argument is structured around the idea that they did do that, and there was outcomes that came from that ultimately I don't think have been good socially for the West over a long period of time. We look at the United States, it's a really good example of this, of where we see this axiom really kind of first applied at the governmental level. So the axiom that we're talking about here is we hold these truths to be self-evident. That's an axiomatic claim. The reason that this axiom matters so much is because it's not a justified axiom. They don't give a justification for it. They're not telling you where it came from and why, right? They do use the term God, that's true, but they're not really giving you reasons in this, and they're just saying this is self-evident. Well, the problem with that is when you decide that things become evident or they're self-evident or they're axiomatic, you can apply that to everything. I think that it's self-evident gays should get married. I think it's self-evident that OnlyFans is fine, part of people's freedom. I think it's self-evident that we can have porn if we want porn, and et cetera, et cetera.
Mm-hmm.
And one of the problems is there's no check on it. When you look at Christian ethics, Christian ethics operates in a series of tradition because Christian ethics itself, at its form base, is a form of virtue ethics. It has virtue ethics as
Cheerio,
kind
mate.
of prime examples of how you're supposed to do things or not supposed to do things. Everything is formulated that way.
I was watching
a
a debate.
Views are highly.
Yeah,
that's why the Catholic Church adopted a lot of
it's
views.
Kelly Powers versus Andrew Wilson. Is Western society better or worse due to the Reformation?
Rejected him by and large. And the reason he did that is because he wanted to move things over to the sense of self.
To the Reformation.
Right? Me, the act
Reformation.
Of conscience, things like this all come from me. And so if we trace this forward now to
the Reformation of the country, right? The way that the world works. So essentially, like let's say what he was just talking about was like the Reformation of like when the United States was formed, right? How we were had the 13 colonies. They were the 13 colonies, and then they got rid of the Articles of Confederation.
They're literally having a debate about the Reformation era in like the early 1500s. Is that what the fuck you're talking about?
Well, it's not only that, but it's what the effect on it today versus the meaning, the what they meant by it today versus what they meant by it 280 years ago, 300 years ago. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like the phrase that he just brought up, we hold these truths to be self-evident, right? Well, which truths? Which truths? Because the truths that we held as self-evident, 300 years ago, does that mean that your truth now that you hold it, that you can unilaterally hold the self-evident truth that OnlyFans is good for society? You know what I'm saying? Because I hold that truth to be self-evident.
I don't think anybody's correlating OnlyFans to.
They are though. They are, because it's looked down upon if you don't agree with them. Just like look at this whole month, man. That wasn't part of the self-evident thing that they were talking about in 1750.
What are you talking about this whole month? What happened this month? Dude, I go to work and
What is the month of June? Rainbow flags, all this stuff running around. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, Pride Month?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like that was someone holding that truth to be self-evident and pushing it upon the masses, right? So that's essentially what he's going at. It's like all the stuff that we're talking about that's happening in today's culture is not doesn't correlate with the original intent. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, see, I mean, they've been celebrating the month of June for years now. I haven't been affected by it a bit.
You don't have to be affected by it, but
That's kind of, it's like I just.
but you're also in. I don't know how Rhode Island is, right? But if you were in Los Angeles, it'd be a different story for you. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean, Vern? Don't they all vote for what?
I don't know, man. I would just move. If something was really bothering me, I would just.
Yeah, I mean, it's cool. I mean, I get it, but I'm saying it's not just that something that's happening here.
So
it's something that's
but
in this taking over the Western world. You know what I'm saying? Because 20 years ago, the online, I don't know. It's hard to be stream friendly with this. So I'm gonna not talk about this because I have different things that I want to say, and I don't know what's against TOS, so I'm not gonna say it. You know what I mean? Bro, you're 100 miles. Are you 100 miles away from your microphone?
Oh, why?
Sounds like you are.
I am definitely not 100 miles away from my microphone. Would you like me to turn my gain up? Does this help you?
No, it just sounds like you're talking through a bucket. Yeah, make sure that your microphone somehow didn't default to your webcam. Your webcam's what?
My webcam's not even plugged in.
Don't know because I don't have any settings different than what it was the other day. Just can't hear you. I mean, you sound far away.
Sounds far away. Far away. Far away.
I don't know. Maybe my ears are bad. I don't know.
I don't know either, man.
I don't know.
I don't know, my lord. I mean, I could try to turn my mic on.
Your microphone's not on?
How about now? Better?
No, not really. Hold on, let me check something. Wait, say something now. Hello? Say what? What did you say?
Hello?
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 Oh. Let me see if it's something on my end. See Helicon mic. Cat. All the same. All the same. Turn you up for now. Even on OBS, you're not registering very high, so I don't know what's going on with that. And
Hello?
I can't have good content on OBS if you're not there to make the stream worth people watching. Can you hear me now?
I mean, I could hear you the whole time. Hold on, let me check my, no, maybe Realtek did something.
I was just look at your Discord and see if it's your correct microphones. But I'm gonna be right back. I drank some tea from McAllister's and now I have a cold yellow.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, I know what's happening.
Did something break?
Well, I mean, yes, but I don't know why.
What was it?
It's my microphone's. I don't know why.
Yep, don't know what you said.
Register me like when I do a test. So when I do a self-test on my headphones and I like do a microphone test and I hit the playback,
Yeah.
it's only coming through one of my headphones, which means my microphone is processing mono instead of stereo.
Yeah, I mean that makes sense because I have you turned up to 140%. I can barely hear you.
Yeah, turn it back down. I'm gonna reset my PC.
Okay.
Something.
All right. I'm gonna pull this video back up and keep watching it while you do that.
Everything that ever came out of it was bad. So that's not really what I'm looking at. What I'm looking at is the broader scope of it. And the idea just comes down to this. It comes down to the idea of authority. And much of the things that you're talking about and referencing that you would consider the good things are coming from the idea of questioning, attacking, and having revolution against authority. Now, I think that schools and things like this would have been a natural byproduct of the invention of the printing press. I'm not sure that I would attribute those to the Enlightenment or to the Protestant Reformation. I think that oftentimes technology gets conflated with morality. The technology is now here. People begin to use the technology. It reforms the social integration system of how people deal with reality. But that doesn't necessarily mean that that's a byproduct of the morality or the Christian ethics themselves of Protestants. It is true many Protestants demanded literacy and things like this, but again, that could have been more a product of the time than it was the actual ethos or the ethics. So, so that's I guess what my objection is. My objection ultimately just comes down to this: when from the Protestant framework, whatever objection that you make is the same objection which is made back to you. And this is the question of authority. And it's a really bad conundrum that Protestants have to deal with. Now, you can dispute it or you can have reasons for it or things like this. And I'm not going to really question any of those because I don't think it's that necessary. What I think is necessary, though, is that there is an admittance that this kind of inherent thing does exist there. And it just works like this. The standard and ultimate authority from which I judge all other authorities is this. I, as the interpreter of this, who is imbued with the Holy Spirit, while I'm looking at this thing, right? Judge that what it means to say is thus. But anytime you say that, that same exact objection can then be used back against you, and there's no way to dispute it because ultimately, logically, you're saying the same exact thing to each other. And that's where the idea of the breakdown of normative authority comes from. And we don't really act like this in any other aspect of society. So when you're talking about normative authority, I'm sure that you think that the president needs to have normative authority, at least to some degree. He needs to fight just wars. So if he sends people off to die, you want to justify their death by saying that was a just war. Perhaps in the legal system, you want to have some normative authority. You want normative authority in society in a general sense. But then also somehow what's left out of that is the normative authority in the spiritual sense. And that's where I think the collective breakdown begins to shift.
Yeah. Yeah, I would agree. Like, and this is where, again, I'm coming from a little bit of a different angle from yourself because I actually agree with what the reformers were doing early on because they weren't necessarily, wanting to be rebellious against God and his word, but it was against the power of how it was being abused. And, looking from a, a Christian point of view anyway, when you're being suppressed and you're being told, what you have to do, even back in those days, if I remember reading this correctly, that people were forced, they were forced to go to church. If you didn't go to church, it was almost as if like your salvation was being questioned, right? And to even question their authority was dangerous. And the Bible, does talk about people who are in leadership, not to lord over them, like, like suppressing them. Even Peter talks about that in his epistle. And so I understand why the Reformation, at least the initiation of, when you're talking about the word authority, is because I've been in ministry, I've been a pastor, I've been an elder, so I know what it's like to be in a church ministry and leadership position in the past, and at the same time, you don't want to be a control freak over the people, yet sadly it happens in any church, it happens in all churches, right? No matter where you're at. And so I understand.
I don't
Yeah.
know. It's like I have a different view on this. I think you do
Okay,
want to
what's your
be
view?
something of a control freak. Like, and let me explain what I mean by this.
Okay, go ahead.
So when, like, you have children, do you have children?
No, we do not. No.
Okay. But I mean, obviously you were a child and you had parents. I'll
That's how.
tell you, yeah,
Yeah.
I'll tell you how it was when I was a kid. Um, my dad would tell me to do something, and I often would get mouthy. Like, oh yeah, well, why should I have to do that? And what he'd do is he'd reach over and he'd give me a good old fashioned open handed smack across the mouth, and then he would say, "Because I said so, dumbass."
That's
And
right.
I would go do it because my dad was the ultimate authority. He was the ultimate normative authority in our household. He was the head.
Facts.
And he didn't brook any nonsense, right? He would say, "No, you're going to do it. And that's that. And I'm not going to endlessly justify myself to you because I'm in a position where I don't have to do that. Ha ha." And ultimately, what was funny about that is that everything that my father did in retrospect on my behalf, including the discipline, including in some cases unjustly disciplining me, was always done from the perspective of my interests because he loved me, because he wanted to see me do well, because he wanted to see me move in the proper way in the world. And when I wasn't doing that, he thought it was completely appropriate to take matters into his own hands and make me do that. And God bless him for that, because ultimately, I think that society would be a much better place if we had more parents who did do that, who did kind of butt their way in, who did say, why don't you stop doing this nonsense and this type of thing, or else. I think that that's
Yeah.
fine. And so it's through views like that where I start to realize that when we say authority and things like this in the United States, we give it like an ugly word. We associate it with ugliness, with oppression, tyranny, with things like that.
Right.
And I think that that's broadly the wrong way to look at things. I think that normative authority is probably usually good, and that we probably want to have more of that around, not less of that. We want moral idealism and things like this to have authorities around it, which can help us move through life.
Oh, I would agree with you in the issue of authority and respect in that regard. I don't think I'd agree with the smack in the face part, but I understand what you're saying. When I was growing up, I don't know how I'm 55 next month. How old are you, Andrew?
42.
Okay. When I was growing up, because I was kind of sometimes a rebellious kid, I got the belt. I got the belt. I never got smacked with a hand, not that I can remember anyway. But I got the belt quite a few times.
I got the belt too.
And yeah, and it wasn't fun. But my dad did it
But did
when
you
he
have it
did it back
coming?
in oh yeah, it
Yeah.
was definitely deserved. I
And he
never
had-
got it I didn't get it when I never
Right.
got it when it wasn't deserved.
Right.
Yeah. My dad was actually he had lots of faults, as we all do. But when he did do it, he meant it to do it for the right reason. Like I think it's Proverbs 22 about disciplining a child. So I do understand that part. The part of where I would disagree with you, though, and this part back to the authority of the issue with the church and things like that as Christians, though, is though we are in the scriptures instructed to follow our leaders and follow those who are, over us, but at the same time, we're also told to be careful, to not be led astray, to be careful of what we listen to be careful, not to be, you know, just being lorded over like the scripture says. And so there's got to be a check and a balance with that. I hope you'd agree there. But the problem with,
Not sure that I do actually. So,
well, let me finish my
oh,
statement, please. Let
yeah,
me
yeah,
finish.
go ahead.
So some of what when you were talking to Jared, what's his show
Gerald.
called again?
Gerald.
Gerald.
Mhm.
Apologizing.
Gerald apologizes apologetics.
Yeah, but not really. That was pretty funny.
Mhm.
When you were talking with
He's
him,
sorry about that, by the way.
it's a funny show. There was lots of things. Both things were being stated at times that I agreed because as much as I like when he said he goes to a good fellowship right now. I've been a part of very good fellowship, good leadership, and I've seen some really good things. I've seen some that I've been a part of over the years that are not good, right? So I understand both sides of the coin. But the Bible still does instruct us that we are to be careful of those who watch over us, that we're not supposed to be just being like, control freaks being over us. And so the Bible is also very clear that the leaders are not supposed to be like that. So
Well, who gets to
looking
make the
back,
judgment that the leader's like that?
well, when, let's say, for example, back in the Catholic time, when they're being suppressed and they're not being able to read the Bible and they're being controlled, what they can and cannot do, they're being forced to go to church, or they were being lied to about the indulgences that would get people apparently, out of purgatory faster, and they were making a lot of money off of
Yeah, but
people
who
back
gets
in
to
the.
make the decision that those things are wrong is my question.
Well, let me ask you, what do you think?
Well, that's answering the question with a question.
Well, the answer for me is are those things what the scriptures teach, right?
Well,
Like that would be.
but that's not helpful. So the idea is, yeah, I'm just looking at it from a logical perspective, right?
So we're just supposed to do whatever.
Who gets to
Okay,
make who gets to
let me
make
answer it this way, Andrew.
the decision that authority is corrupt, or the decision that the authority is wrong, or the decision who's ultimately making that determination is the question.
Well, let me ask. So I'll answer it like this. Well, who told me the Catholic Church was the authority? Who told me the Orthodox Church is the authority?
That actually
See,
that actually
so
moves
let
to
me
my point, though.
no, just let me finish my point. Somebody can claim their authority. Somebody could claim they're the one true church. If I'm an outsider, why should I believe that?
Yeah,
Like
but
if I'm on the outside and someone's saying
this
that,
is circular, my friend. So
no, it goes. My point I'm trying to say is, if I can read some, and I want to use this very liberally, but at the same time mean it. If I can read scriptures that are pretty straightforward and simple, and
what if you couldn't?
different. Well, what we're talking about right now.
Yeah, but
right?
what if you couldn't? What if you couldn't read?
Well, if I couldn't
then
read,
who's
but
the
then
authority? But if you couldn't, then who would be the authority then?
if you couldn't read, then unfortunately at the time you would have to go off of whatever someone said.
So
And
then you
if they were
wouldn't
telling you the truth, then you're okay. If they were telling you a lie, then you're going to be in trouble.
So who's the authority then?
in the authority is you are still going along with it, but I
So
mean,
you're the ultimate authority again.
okay, well then you tell me, Andrew, who's the authority?
Well, the question isn't whether or not or what Andrew thinks is the authority or not the authority. The question is whether or not the entire Protestant worldview boils down to them, the individual's self, being the ultimate authority. And if that creates the breakdown in the social dynamics and in society because of this one idea of ultimate authority. In other words, the objection to objection works like this. I don't believe that you're an authority. I object. I don't believe that
Okay.
you're reading this right because I object. But my
Okay.
objections are based on, let's say, these 15 passages from Scripture that I've contextualized this way. Well, nothing stops the other side who you're objecting to from using the same exact objection back, and it becomes unfalsifiable. That's
Right.
the problem, is that there's no falsifiability. And so Christian ethics breaks down because of that. Christian
I understand.
ethics, like all other ethical system, relies on the philosophical traditions of the applied normative applications of those conditions. So virtue in a vacuum is meaningless. Virtue has to be applied for it to be meaningful, right? And if there's no authority on what virtues are, if there's no way for us to make those determinations, then all we do endlessly is just have this same objection back and forth. I'm the ultimate
Hello?
arbiter on what is ethical
Hello?
and moral.
Better?
You are not. And so
I
that's
can hear you. Yes.
Yeah. All
Hey.
better.
Oh, that is better. So glad that you figured it out.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell that was all about.
I don't either. But you're welcome.
I think my yeah, thanks. Well, I mean, there's random days where like I'll hop in and Carmen's like, "Oh my god, you sound like shit. What did you do to your microphone?"
Yeah.
I think maybe my either my microphone's dying or my Focusrite is dying. I don't know.
I
Because
mean,
I didn't do anything.
you might need to just update your audio driver.
Yeah.
I wouldn't worry about that right now, but I mean, I might.
No, I'm not doing any of that probably ever.
It takes absolutely no time to do.
I don't really care.
Oh wow!
Then why don't you come do it for me?
I mean, I would have. I tried to come up there to do it for you whenever I went to New York, but you just refused to hang out with me like Kobo. So I understand.
Literally did not deny hanging out with you.
I
You
don't know.
bitch.
I don't know. I kind of felt like you denied hanging out with us whenever you refused to come to the wedding.
Oh my god! All right, you know what? I'm going to get a drink. I'll be right back. I'm loading up.
Wait,
PUBG.
what are you drinking?
How you talking? In the city.
Hope you weren't talking because I just got back.
Not. I mean, I was just saying randomness.
I love that. What are you drinking?
Yeah, you know me. Water.
Oh.
What do you mean, oh. Did they add anything to the
No, there's nothing.
to the hideout? They haven't added anything to that in a while.
You can do your daily check-in stuff.
I'm just gonna buy 8 smoke grenade crates and see what happens. Bunch of nothing.
Little hair and gel, man. These lobbies are toxic, by the way.
What do you mean?
Just rough out here. It's just rough out here in these streets.
It's toxic though.
Man, it's rough.
Like people are sweating, or people are like all chatting crazy shit.
No, they're just sweating. I played one game earlier.
No.
Yes, bro. I played one game earlier, and I was like, I can't do this I can't do this by myself.
That's tough. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's 40 people in this lobby, by the way. Did you see the?
There's only 40 people in this lobby? How do you know?
So look at the message I sent you in Discord. All right, so if you're playing with me, right? We're gonna go to Quarry. You're playing with me. So whenever you join the match, look at my Steam, your Steam friend, which is me.
I'm reading it. Yeah.
And then it'll show how many players in there. And when the timer comes on, that number is how many real players are in the match.
Ah. We can play TPP if you want. I was watching some of your videos that you put out today on my break.
Bro.
The TP players are bad. This was literally the title. And then you have one where you're watching some poor guy. And you're just shitting on his life, dude.
Bro, he was so bad.
It's probably some little kid.
Probably shitting on your daughter's gameplay or something.
She almost killed you, bro. I wouldn't.
Yeah, she sure did.
I wouldn't be talking too much shit, man.
I know. I don't know what I would have done with that.
Dude, if she would have TK'd you, I would have laughed so hard.
All I had to do,
So
bro,
fucking hard.
in reality, to get away from her, I just sat on a box.
Yeah, that's the truth.
I
She
just
can't.
climbed
So
up.
it was funny, right? Because I was like extremely impressed with her. And then you stood on the box, and I was like, oh, she has no like concept of vertical.
None.
Like looking vertically with the mouse.
You know what? I was impressed with that. So.
But she was walking all. I came back and she pushed all the way to these houses, bro.
I know. I'm pretty
was
sure.
like, oh.
I wanted. She shot at somebody. It wasn't me. Maybe there was a bot down there or something and she killed it. I don't know.
She tends to narrate everything she does.
She sure does.
Which I think is funny too.
She's a future streamer.
She also gotta say she's watched me stream too much. She's.
Did you see that video I sent you? I sent you about when I was the one right above that. I tried. That's the name of it. That's when I was playing with
Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah, that's a great video. I tried my hardest to land on that dude.
We're dead center, bro.
Hell yeah.
Not dead center, but pretty much.
Means we're gonna get pushed.
I don't know about all that.
Oh yeah, it's coming here. Do you need extended mag for AR?
Someone's fucking with me.
Not me.
There's literally, you said that, dude, and there's literally a person below me. Full flashed him. This might be a real person. Yo, are you a real person? Olympic Defects 98. That doesn't sound like an auto-generated name.
Dude, it's not. Where was he at?
Yo, hello? Hello? He's right next to me.
Hello, friend.
You were like, someone's gonna push us? I said, no. And
Are
then
you
all of a
real?
sudden I heard.
Take your head left or right if you're real.
Hello? Can you hear me? He's got an SKS and that's it. I'm gonna say he's not real. Oh no, what's in his hand? What is that? An M4? Oh, he's got an ace in his hand.
I kidnapped him. Oh, see.
That was a bot.
Can I execute him with this? Nope, can't execute him. You have a pan? No.
No. I'll execute. Oh, I just shot through his head. This person like DC'd or something? You pick ass in him. Dude, this guy had. Oh my god, this guy was loaded.
He sure was.
He had a fucking 3 vest.
And a 6 and an 8x. Do you need an 8x?
8x, yeah. No, I'm good. I'm good.
I have 6 with my mini, so I'm gonna keep that.
Well, they stunned grenaded me too, so I heard footsteps like right here while I was up in the tower. I thought you were busting my balls. And then I was like, wait a minute, Broke's nowhere near me, and then a stun grenade went off in my face. I was like, what the hell?
Bro, where's his teammate at, though?
I don't know. Oh, I hit that person running.
Where?
Across the road. Here. Oh, I just missed. It's a bot, for sure, but... I hit one of those running shots. That felt nice. I got him. Oh, dirty snipes on the mans.
Must secure your kill.
Thank you. Thank you. More. Oh, I see you. That cheeky little angle that bot had. It's peeking us from the barns over there. That's real people. The guy with the AUG, he's not that far away.
There's one at yellow.
They're fighting like over
there's
here.
there's one at yellow.
Yeah, I see it. That was the teammate to the bot across the way. Oh, we can take the chips.
Oh, I forgot about that, yeah.
Yeah, I just grabbed that one. I'm gonna grab the one over here. I kind of forgot that bots had chips. See, that should be like the for certain way to tell if it's a bot or not. I don't think bots should have blue chips.
I agree. Would be cool. It would be cool though if their teammates. They should have blue chips until their teammate dies. And then allow bots to go revive.
Oh no, I hear explosions.
Where do you want to kind of hold? Because this is a big area to hold.
Get the person on the buggy to the road to the south of me. We'll hear and see this and come this way.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. What'd you get?
A three helmet.
Oh, nice. Oh, I have a. You want this repair kit?
No. I'm good. I'm holding
It's
the
way more
pickaxe.
useful in your hands. Oh, okay.
Off to the 320.
Yeah.
Kind of want to oversee that guy over there that's the real person. If there's any way to end his life, you know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying.
I'm gonna do a no kill tonight challenge.
Okay.
Really, I could be really good at this, by the way.
I'm sure you could. All right, so this is all open.
Where was that?
Somewhere southwest in the woods. Maybe further, like Primorsk or something. Like edge of Primorsk, that little intersection.
Oh, I thought it was over here somewhere.
No, it was like in this direction over here. But pretty far away. I mean, I could barely hear it.
You could barely hear it. Good lord. It sounded like it was right on top of us.
Oh, yeah, no. It definitely was not. Oh, I found the guy, I think. I don't know why he's beelining you.
Oh.
All right, so that guy wasn't a real player. That Quiver Run, QB Run.
Yeah, I wouldn't try that.
But that was like that bot had a ton of kills, man.
I seen. All right, so there's at least one. I've seen him in the kill feed.
Is it the guy with the obviously not a generated name?
Yeah, he's got a clan tag and all that stuff.
Oh, no, there was another one that was like a slur.
Oh yeah, there he is. Oh shit.
He's pulling up. Come back. He's going up. God damn it. No, he's not. He's going down. Oh my god. No, dude. Go back. I wonder if that was the same Bucky we heard earlier and this guy's just driving around in circles in the whole map. Remember that day we did that with motorcycles?
Yep.
That was fun.
I wonder if he's seen us. That's the reason he was like, oh, nope, not stopping here.
He's not going for the glider. I don't know, my lord. Oh my god, I actually can see where that's coming from.
Another car?
Yeah. Oh, maybe they're going for the blue chip. Don't shoot. He's definitely going for the blue chip. Oh, he's not. Maybe he is. I don't know. I saw him. He's wearing all white. A white poofy coat. Oh, he is. Oh, he's on the other side of it. Oh, he faked it. Oh, he's going for it. He's dead. That's the guy. That's the guy with the slur. See you later, buddy. I hate you. How's that?
Wow.
Fucking jerk.
That's the guy with the slur. He had a ghillie too, right?
He might have. Yeah, he had. Actually, I don't know. He had like a blue poofy coat.
I don't want to go down there because I don't want to
It
get
was
shot.
like a blue fur coat. Yeah, I'm not going down there. What if he had like 15 chips though?
I'm going down there.
He's just gonna call it. He was just gonna call it an arsenal.
No, you killed him, so he was reviving his buddy.
He could have been a solo. You can solo queue now.
Yeah. See.
Imagine someone like that having a friend.
He had 2 chips.
Yeah, he was definitely a solo duo.
Wow, what a circle, bro. Coming from Primorsk?
You know what's unfortunate about this exact moment?
What?
I have to poop.
Oh no. That's not good. You need to hold it. I mean, you can lay down right there, but I don't know how long it'll take you.
I see a real boy. Over here. He just murdered somebody. He just murdered somebody else. Zviadovich Kucha. Oh, he might be killing real people. There's smoke over there with and I remember that's where the drop was.
Maybe.
Hope a real person just drove by in a Dacia too.
Part 2.
We can start moving out. I mean, like right here would probably be best.
Yeah, I'm not shooting until I have to.
I understand. You're going for the no-kill game.
Well, no. I didn't want to give away our position while we were moving in.
Oh.
Do
you have a kill yet?
No, there's a car coming right toward us. Look above me. Look behind me.
Yep. Yep. They hit a rock. That car is fucked up.
That scene here?
Yeah, he's going around. I feel like that's a bot. There's a bot close to me somewhere over here. He's shooting at me. That's got to be them, no?
Yep.
I think it's a bot.
Yeah, but there's another one. Real people over there.
Not bots, not bots.
Whack, Jimmy. There's a crate right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Oh! Where
That's
the hell?
unfortunate.
The fuck's he at?
I don't know, but I feel like we're fucked. Because these people behind us are still over here.
Yep.
Oh, you're definitely not in the smoke, bro.
I know.
Oh my
I was
God.
hiding behind that wall, that brick.
You found the tiniest rock in existence. It was like, I'm gonna hide here. Alright, I'm gonna look behind us, because I think that's the... Oh, I died to a P90. I don't even know from where, bro.
I got MP5.
I insta-died.
Oh, I got killed by an MP5. He was right behind us.
This was the team I was hoping to find, but yeah, he was just he was prone.
Yeah,
he was prone, not doing anything.
Campers. I got a kill. That's unfortunate.
Oh, that sucks. Are you still doing Aaron Galq? It's gonna be all bot lobbies.
I mean, we can do the quick lobby. That's fine with me. Oh, let's see let's see how many people's here.
I'm gonna watch this this clip.
It was 66 right now. The timer hadn't started.
Oh, you were so close to that guy. I think I saw his life flash before his eyes.
I tried to tilt my wing just enough that it would clip him on the way by. You know? But it wasn't to be.
Oh my God, you got him anyway.
Oh yeah, just keep watching. It gets better.
You had 1 health, dude.
It gets better. Just it gets better.
Oh no. You got another one. Oh my God, you're insane. No, listen. Poor high tech dude pleading for his life.
Ah.
Oh, you got that guy too. Squad wipe. Get whacked, bitches.
Bro. There is nobody in this lobby, by the way. Maybe 2 people.
No?
Maybe 3 teams.
Oof. Yeah, you want to just leave? Let's just leave. We'll probably, in quick join, we'll probably still get a decent amount of Aaron Gills.
It's been working out that way. Get whacked, bitches. I was like, look at there. Look at me go. I killed 2 of them with one. Look, I started to thirst that guy, and then it was like, and then he started saying, don't thirst. And I thought he was talking to me, so I stopped. But he was bleeding for his life. I got a couple of those wild glider plays from the other night, because every chance that I got in the glider and did some dumb shit.
Oh man, I wanted to check to see if the guy that I killed was streaming. The one that I headshot over the. What was so crazy about that headshot too on
You
that
talking about
guy out of the
hateful name?
glider?
Oh.
No, yeah, no. I'm talking about the day we were in the glider and I domed that guy and killed him.
Go to PUBG report and look up your name.
Yeah, no, I know how to do it. I just I'm just saying I kept forgetting to do it.
What is your name in here now?
It's just Cousin Vinny.
Oh my god.
Because I was literally just about to say, please peek your head over the hill. But I thought it. I didn't say it.
You don't have anything. You killed him with a what?
I think I killed him with a car 98. His name was like Old Man something. Like old something.
Thank your mom. What the heck? I don't see.
Where do you want to go?
Oh, we can go to Oasis. We're already up here.
Okay.
Yeah, all that you have is TDM stuff.
Okay.
Wow.
It's probably because the last couple of days I didn't really have time to play. I was just doing TDMs to try and get some arcade points.
But your TDMs is from Tuesday, June 2nd, so talking about 9 days ago.
Oh, that was a while ago. Yeah, no, me and you, I think, played after that.
Maybe.
There's 2 guys here.
Where?
Behind us. One's landing here. The other one's floating.
Oh, didn't see that.
Oh, I went right through that window, man. That was sick. Oh, I fucked that guy up. All right, so they both went to orange mark. I hit one, I think, in the neck as he was coming down. Oh shit, I gotta get inside. Oh my god, you motherfucker, dude.
How far off was that?
Oh my god. You're blowing me up. You son of a bitch, dude.
I didn't mean to. Was I not close to their building at all, though?
No.
Damn.
No, you were not.
So 270 was not a good number. Or 240 was not a good number. Got it.
Yeah, whatever you think it is, add like 30 meters.
Yeah.
I see one.
Find me an AR and I'll be there.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for him to step out.
So, what do you think that is?
I don't know. Like maybe 200?
Yeah, it was two. I shot it at 240 a while ago. It hit right on top of their warehouse.
They're dead.
I'm glad because I didn't help at all. I just scared the shit out of them.
And you were really far away. I was using your mortars as cover to prime my nade, so that kind of helped, I think.
Because I was landed on their warehouse, right? That time?
Yeah, that time you were landing on the warehouse, but they were in the building next to it with me.
Oh, see.
They had just pushed out. It worked, it worked. You did enough. But we weren't going to kill them anyway because they were inside.
Yeah.
Like a building with a closed roof.
You under it. I'll leak them.
It's alright, mate.
Alright,
I do kind of feel bad, though. We need like an EP or something.
Huh?
We need an EP or a glider or
I
something,
would say
dude.
there's got to be a glider up around this northern road somewhere. Or this way. It has to be a glider. And I picked up a gas can.
Nice. Settle down.
I thought I was getting pushed. I was panicking.
You would have been the third person in a row for like me logging on and playing and getting shot by a teammate.
Fuck.
I played CS:GO with Karma, Noxy, and Tomer.
Huh?
Tomer shoots me in CS:GO. Like panic shoots me.
So do I need to file like copyright charges against them or something? Copyright infringement or something? Because team killing is definitely my thing with you. And I don't like other people stealing my stuff.
You could.
I don't like other people stealing my glory.
I'm on the edge of glory.
You're edging?
I'm edging.
He's an edge lord. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's an edge lord.
The Lord of Edge. They call me Lord Edgington.
You need a 6-time?
I do.
I happen to have one. Alright.
You know what would be a cool addition to the game?
What?
Vehicle flares.
Would be cool.
What do you think of that?
That would be pretty badass.
Thought so too. What is flying over us right now? Oh, it's an EP, dude. Fuck.
Yeah.
Somebody else got one.
Alright, come to me. I got a car here.
There's for some. Alright. I'm gonna check this. You drive to me. You gotta come this way anyway.
Oh no, we're going down this road because I've got a glider somewhere down here.
Oh. Okay.
We're gonna find a glider. We're not doing this drive.
Okay.
We'll find a glider or we'll die in the blue, okay?
Yeah.
Which way do you think? Left or right?
I think left.
Weak ass horn. Left may have been bad.
No, go right through La Cabrera.
Go right.
I think that I think there's a glider like this way. I could be very wrong. Oh man.
All right.
I mean, worst case scenario, we just keep going all the way down this road until eventually we get in.
Yeah. Just get a faster car, but yeah.
Yeah, you're right. I kind of forget, like, if Miramar was one of the maps, they like updated the gliders to where they're not always like the outside edge.
I don't know, to be honest.
I think Sup told me that. If someone's gonna know, it's gonna be him.
Yep.
Ooh. Real fast car coming up.
I'm full heal real quick.
Okay.
Oh, here's the 6 time, by the way.
Oh, yeah, give me that. Thank you, sir.
You like the new me that's driving?
Yeah, I do actually. I really like it. I like shooting out of the vehicles.
Uh-huh.
You know?
Shot.
I know there's supposed to be like a definite glider spawn, like up on one of these hills.
Yeah, there's glider spawns on this map.
Like
but I need Sup to send me a map of where they are.
Yeah, I think it's like on Orange Mark is like a guaranteed one. I should definitely have my tire pops.
Good.
At the end of this match. How many is it? Is it 8 or 10?
10.
10.
Oh shit.
That's all right.
That fucking brake is stupid. See a glider over there?
Here, I'll give you a better line. No, I don't. Just let me know if you want a seat swap.
Might right now.
Made it. Damn, I would have went the other road, but
Yes.
it's all right. It's okay.
Nope.
No, we gotta keep going for sure. Are you turning around? Look at you.
So you said the other road because that's dead center zone.
Yeah,
so-
definitely, definitely the other road. A glider! Oh, baby! We did it!
We don't get murdered getting in it.
No. No. They love this for us. I'm glad I saved all my ammo for this moment. There's a guy crossing the road. I missed him. I missed him.
There's a smoke right here on right in front of us.
Okay. I see him. Oh. I see his buddy, I think. Turn it around. Uh-oh. 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 Go back towards Yeller. Hey, where'd this guy go? Oh, I see him. Oh, I hit him. Oh, oh, oh. Ah. All right, straighten out, straighten out. Where'd he go? Where the fuck did the guy go? Oh, I see him. Yeah, he's a fucking rascally little rabbit. Oh, I see this guy. Oh! Ow. Oh, I hit him. I hit him in the head. He's got a 3 helmet. Ow, 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 ow. It hurts. It hurts, bro. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh.
Yes, dude.
Oh, I kamikazed him.
Oh man. That was good. That was good.
I mean, it's how many games are we gonna win before we just gotta start doing fun stuff like that, because the sweatiness is fun, but hitting people with gliders just 41 damage. And somebody hit him. That's just fun.
Oh yeah, I lit him up. I lit him up. Like I shot him a bunch. If I wasn't already super hurt, I think I would have been able to knock him.
Yeah,
dang man, if that guy didn't have a 3 helmet, I would have knocked one of those guys on the hill.
Yeah, you were bad hurt. That's why I just like, you know what? We're dead here. I'm just diving. Are there gliders on Sandhawk?
I don't think so. There might be though.
That was funny though.
I just can't believe we have like, we made it all the way to the circle and then found the glider.
Wow.
That's what I think. I feel like I remember having a conversation with Sup, and he was telling me that Miramar doesn't really have them on the outskirts of the map like all the other maps.
Yeah.
That they're more like set, like not centered, but you're just in more from the outside.
Are we playing Sandhawk?
Does Sandhawk have glider spawns?
Remember, it used to be
Yeah,
up here.
Sandhawk Remastered does have glider spawns, and they're tied to the specific landmark. In the Sandhawk Remastered update, the airfield, which
Nope.
is replaced the old Mong Hai area.
Yeah, but remember, it's no more.
Oh, it's not. Oh, this must be really old information. Oh, that's right.
Let's
Okay.
let's go over here and then kind of sneak up on Camp Charlie
All right, hold on.
or Camp Alpha. I mean,
What the fuck did I just do? Spawns 2026.
okay, let's change it and go down.
We can still go there. What would you pick here?
Yeah, over here. Go to, and then, yeah, that's fine. And then kind of walk up on Camp Alpha and stuff like that.
Yeah, we can
Oh,
check to see if there's going to be parachutes there, but
there are people
I
here.
have a feeling.
There are people here. There are people here at where we're landing right now.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're right. I'm not sure if they have the best shoots though. No, they don't. Yeah, they're not gonna. We got this. We'll have a little fight on our hands. Oh. Sweet mama. Guess I got a mortar.
That's what I got while I go.
Oh baby, that's in a complex.
Oh, right here. He looked at me and I shot him in the eye hole.
Okay. I don't see a friend.
I think he's in that building there.
His friend's gonna rat now. You think so?
Yeah.
His buddy landed on this side though. Oh, I hear him. He was on the orange side.
On the orange side?
Yep, for sure. Yep, he just went into the building. I can hear him. He just went into orange building. He's dead. Oh my god. What'd you do? You shot a panzer at?
No, I threw the BZ the grenade thing.
The sticky bomb?
Yeah, that thing.
I never even heard it. Like, do the timer.
It went off. It did.
I didn't hear it at all. That's crazy. Maybe they reduced how far away you can hear it.
It's look, I tried to scare him.
Dude, you scared me. So we did have two guys go to the mark that you put over here.
Yep.
New orange.
We're in zone, so I mean, we can do whatever you want. We can push those shots. I need a red dot.
Right here.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay.
I also need a 2 vest.
We can work on that.
Got one.
Oh, that's right. We got the trucks again. I forgot about that. I throw a sticky bomb at it. Hadouken. Hey. What dropped? Grenade. Aha. Did you throw one at it too?
Yeah. You got shot at, by the way.
You might be right. Okay, see you later.
That douche.
That's this tree.
That fucking bot shooting me from Narnia, bro.
He's right at Orange Mark at the tree.
Fucking Narnia, I tell you. I need some fives. I mean, not fives. I need some 9mm if you see some.
Okay.
Are you using smoke grenades?
I do not actually.
Because I have a
I
smoke
have
gun
2
with
smoke
8.
grenades and I have 4 smoke gun grenades. Yeah, dude, there was those where we just looted. It had so many smoke guns. It was
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's insane.
Dropping their smoke grenades, dropping that stun. I don't need that shit. Dropping that 5-5, picking my stun back up.
Dude, you said the lobbies were toxic. I feel like no one's even playing.
Yeah.
Like everybody I'm coming across is a bot.
Oh no.
Those first 2 people weren't though.
Felt like they thought we were bots and they were pushing us.
I got 99 mil here for you, but
I have 239 now, or 229 now.
okay. Watch you. I was like, dude, someone's rolling up at me. I was ready though. Put my 4X on. My F249. I was gonna spray someone's soul away, dude.
Oh, here's that bot.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I marked him earlier for you. You say he was shooting me from Narnia. He was like 100 meters away from us.
Yeah, but he was just shooting my
Man, I wish we
building.
could find more sticky grenades. Like I want sticky grenades. Yeah, I guess you were a lot further than I was.
Yeah, he was shooting my building, and it was like, all right, bud, you can't even see me. Okay?
I don't know why they were so fixated on you, because his little bot teammate rolled up, and I literally walked up to him, and he never even looked at me.
His little bot buddy.
His little bot buddy.
Or we should go up there.
Okay. I wonder if this is the same truck that we... Yeah, let's go.
All it took was my 9mm.
That's all it took, dude. It was never about my 150 rounds of 5.5 that I threw at it.
Nope.
Nope.
Look at all the
No
9 mil
chance.
hit the side of the truck is here. Wow. The 3 vest on here? Oh my
Nice.
god.
Yeah, dude, there was a big crate here, and it didn't even give me anything.
Bro, this
It gave me like a grenade in a bicycle. That's what was in this thing, a bicycle.
Yep.
What the fuck is that about? Oh, a C4. I still have the mortar too, by the way, with 4 rounds in it.
Nice.
For fun after. Oh, it's a Panzer. Oh my god, there's so many good things, dude. Where's the tac pack when you need
I
it,
was
bro?
gonna say, if it had a tac pack in it, it'd be OP.
Oh, I'd have all of it. Oh my god, dude, there's so many Panzers.
I know it was like
Oh my
3 or
God.
4 of them in there.
Oh, dude, that feels bad. The fuck? I want them. I'm coming. So I have 1 stun grenade, 4 frag grenades, 2 throwable smoke grenades, 4 40mm smoke grenades, 4 60mm mortar shells, and a mortar with an M249 with a 4X on it. I feel like we're ready.
You think so?
Yeah. And we're gonna come to the top of this thing and get murdered.
Get melted.
Did you get nervous too?
Yeah. Well, I didn't go
I
up
was
by
like,
myself.
where the hell did we jump?
Well, the circle pulled away from us.
English. If you find a 6X, let me know.
Yeah, I haven't found one.
Ooh, found a zip gun.
The Proud Rock. Bro, I can see the whole fucking world from up here.
Yeah, I know.
You should be able to parachute from here all the way down, but I don't know where we want to go.
Yeah, it's right here that you jump from.
But I don't know where we want to go.
I don't know either.
That in? It is.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's forcing us to jump, dude. It thrust us into an action movie. Fucking mortars coming in on us, dude.
Holy shit!
Oh shit! Stop jumping. Imagine it beams one of us out of the sky.
I heard it will. Oh!
Man, those are going right at you, dude.
Shit! Yeah, I was scouting it out before we jumped.
Gotta pee. There's a 3 vest here. Another one.
I have one.
Fresh. Okay. Where's this circle gonna go? If we get yeah, fuck. All right. Well, had a feeling. I was like, there's no way we stay in.
Do we go? Do we risk going across that bridge, or do we just cross here?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Nope. Not cross. Not go through the bridge.
That was behind us. I tell you, this is tough. It's a tough little rotation we got here.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, man. This reminds me of that Vikendi match we somehow survived. I mean, we died at the end, but we shouldn't even have been at the end of that match.
The guy running across the field here. 2 of them.
Okay. I think we gotta try and just get to this house. Oh, shit. There's 2 guys in this house. They're dead. Oh my god. Thank god. Thank god for 4x M249s, bro.
Oh!
Oh, shit. Dip and dodge.
But he's looking at me right here.
Yeah, you gotta stay in the smokes. Oh shit, dude, we're dead. He's gonna throw a nade.
Yeah, he is 100%.
Please, mama. Oh, he thinks we're at the closer smokes.
Ah!
God, there's more people here. I knocked one. Fuck this thing, I'm backing up again. Yeah. Who the fuck is that guy? He's prone. Okay, cool. That's my thirst.
No, that was not a thirst.
Comrade Nicoli, that's the guy I docked a second ago. Oh, maybe. Did he have like a self-res or something?
No, I killed the other guy, his teammate.
Oh, okay. This other team, I think, crossed already.
Oh, wow, this guy had a 3 helmet.
Dude, this sucks. This sucks so bad.
Where are we gonna go to?
I mean, I feel like the only thing we can do, dude, this truck freaks me the fuck out.
I have 7
Just
smokes.
clear behind. Okay, behind us is dead. Oh my god, dude.
All right, we go up.
Yeah, a little bit. I honestly feel like we just like prone out here. Sometimes the play zone.
Oh my god.
Dude, this fucking map. I have to pee so bad. I really have 25 seconds. Oh, this is a horrible cross for us, too.
Right here, right here, right here.
See? I'm looking for this other team for us.
Uh-huh.
Why can't I put this mortar down? Come on. Let me put the mortar down, you fuck.
Perspective here.
Bullshit. Yep, see him. They're dead. There's one guy. Why can't I put the mortar down, dude? I need flat ground. Come on, get. Oh, right here.
Behind me. Behind us. Over here.
Off the rock. Kobe. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
I don't know. I'm listening. Oh, to your left. Left. You're right, my bad. Okay.
Okay. I couldn't see this fucking guy, dude. The grass is too long.
Fucking thrown out, dude. Alright, go pee.
I have to pee so bad. Oh man.
That was an NT.
That was what?
Nice try. Nice try.
Oh. Yeah, we kind of got caught with our pants down, goofing around.
Yeah, I was.
The one
fixing to
person
start-
left in the lobby was the one person who wanted the win more probably anybody in that match.
I was started throwing smokes down, headed, and I threw one right
I
at
know.
him.
I was like, as soon as I put the mortar down and started shooting it and heard you throwing smokes, I was like, this is gonna be funny.
Because because I had the smoke launcher, so it goes far away. So I was like, well, I'll smoke out all around us. That way he has to come in blind. But
Yeah.
it didn't. I shot one, and he was like, "Oh, there you are!" La, 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 la.
Yeah, he was trying to get the win really bad.
He was sweating his
Because
balls off.
he waited till we killed the other team to push up.
Yeah, because he was scared. Little rat. You gonna ready up or what?
You give me a fucking minute, Jesus.
Nah, I don't have a minute. Got about 2.3 seconds though.
Yeesh, God.
We need more. We need more clan members.
Dude, did you hear about Kyle Busch?
Yeah.
Fucking sad, dude.
I agree.
Guy's mad young.
Bro, he's my age.
I know, that's super young.
Mad young, bro. Mad
die in a
young,
fucking-
bro.
Yeah, because what did he die of? Pneumonia? And then
yeah.
sepsis?
Yep. That's wild. It's fucking wild. I hate that dude killed us right
Yeah, you hate the fact that what?
there. That guy killed us.
Yeah, fuck him. He's a bum.
Look, there was a few times there that we had a double that like that guy that you said that I said he's right here, you know, and you shot him. You hit him. I hit him, and then you hit him right after, and he knocked him.
Oh, would you snipe him?
Yeah, I shot him I hit him in the body.
Yeah, because the guy running to the left. I was so surprised how quickly he died.
Yep.
I think I hit him with one bullet.
Oh, Johnny one tap. Old Johnny one tap got dominated. We don't want to do this one again, right? I don't think we want to play this one again. I think I want to try to find some more gliders, and this is not the map for gliders because there was no gliders flying around, so I don't think there's gliders on this map anymore. And we got Mr. Play to Win over here with the motorcycle. You hear me?
No.
I'm backing out.
Okay.
I'm trying to find some gliders and have some glider games. That's something I don't do often is playing the glider, and it's a great part of the game. So I wanna fly. gonna be a flyboy. I should wear me a flyboy suit. Guess we wait and see what map we're on. We're gonna fly. We're gonna land somewhere we know gliders are at, and then loot that area. If we can figure that out, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And then I'll fly around, or I'll drive, and then you just Oh, kissed by Marley. That's a blunt ass Marley. Nice name. Marley. How many tires have you taken out?
That's a great question. Where do I see that again?
Go to your weekly
7.
supply. 7. All right, you gotta get 3, and I gotta get 7. Check garage.
Yeah, you stole my 3 tires, you son of a bitch.
You. Whoa. Whoa. I definitely did. It definitely happened. I watched it happen. I was like, you know what? That's just 3 tires. Taking them. You working Saturday?
I haven't decided yet.
Okay.
Probably not, considering I worked like 36 hours in the past 3 days.
I understand. All right, what are we doing here? Why?
Huh?
We're on a Sandcock rotation.
I mean, if we back out of this one, I highly doubt that we'll get a third.
This is the 3rd in a row.
We can't possibly get a 4th in a row.
What is that called? So you get 3 in a row is a turkey. 4 in a row is a
turducken.
That's the ham bone? Is that what it's called?
I don't know.
Let's see. 4 strikes in a row. Alright, so single strike is just a strike. 2 strikes in a row is, wait for it, a double. 3 strikes is a turkey. 4 strikes is a ham bone. Oh, ham bone now.
Jeez, dude. That's fucking crazy, man.
Which part?
Bacterial pneumonia.
Yeah.
That's so rare for, it's like in a 41-year-old, for pneumonia to progress that badly.
Well, I mean, there's no telling how long he's been living with it and just kind of medicating and going on because it's race season, man. So it's like, it's race season, so he's just been like, rolling with it. So we're gonna float down this little coastline, see a glider, and then loot the closest compound. Or do you want to go north? Nah, let's go south. There's nothing north. There's nothing but heartache. It's like you always measure from the bottom. Measure from the top only gets hurt feelings.
Yeah. That's what they say.
That's what they say. I don't know who they is, but they said it.
Oh shit! You were going straight down.
No,
Sorry.
no, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
No, you're good.
I was kind of looking for a glider
I
down
was
this
too.
road, but I don't see one.
But you're good. You can land over there. There's nobody with us. I'll stop right here.
Somebody's going query, dude.
Them
4 people.
Sons of bitches.
They landed at our warehouses too.
Oh yeah.
Actually, the team is flying by them. They're floating to Primorsk for whatever reason. Oh my god, maybe I could run them over with this vehicle.
That would be epic, wouldn't it?
I'm gonna go for it, dude. I'm gonna go for it. I think they're gonna end up landing short. Wish me luck.
Good luck. I'll do my best to come revive you when you die.
No. I think I got this. Damn it.
They make it?
Made it. Oh, they got into a car. I just passed them.
Going which direction?
Towards Primorsk.
Okay, so let's still head that way.
Wonder if this little shack has anything. Maybe a gun in here? An 8x and a helmet. That'll do. And throw this giant fucking brick of an 8x at them. I just thought of another cool mechanic, by the way.
What?
It would be cool if, even if you don't have a gun, you can like soft aim out of the car to look in the sky. Because I couldn't look for them.
Oh, that
'Cause I
would
didn't have a
that would
gun.
be cool.
I mean, it's very rare that you use it, but it's still like.
I mean, I would
By
use
the
it a
way,
lot,
there
actually.
there was 0 gliders. Which kind of sucks.
Which means we'll go north. Fine.
Yeah.
So I'll just hang out here and you just come on up.
Coming.
Find you some guns. There's
Dude,
a
I found
there's
them.
an
though.
Humpty
It
Dumpty right here.
excited me. I was like, yo, I feel like they're not gonna make it. They definitely didn't.
What kind of gun do you want?
I don't care.
All right, there's an ump. Oh, have an ump.
Oh, you have a gun.
There's an ump in that building over there. There's an AK here. There's an ump here with a extended mag on it.
Okay. We're kidded, baby. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'll drop. I don't know where I was going.
It's all three. A for me.
Did you get all 4 of those tires though?
I only need 3 of them.
Oh.
Love it. Oh, a silenced AK.
Yeah. And the silenced
I love
SLR.
the sound of the silenced AK.
And the silenced SLR. What AR do you, what sniper do you have?
I don't have a sniper. I have an AK with the hybrid scope on it.
There's a mini in there.
Okay.
I think it's in this building. Where's the other building? I'm not sure. I don't remember.
It's okay. Do you have heals? I noticed you've been breaking pots.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You need some? Here you go.
Yeah, I got nothing. I also don't have any mini ammo. Got no 5s.
Here you go.
Thank you. That'll do.
I don't have any 7.6 ammo, so we're even.
Oh, here. I don't even need it. I just dropped 260.
Oh.
So there's more behind you.
Oh.
Behind you. There you go.
Oh.
Look at that, dude. It all worked out. I got a laser sight on this ump.
Okay, we're gonna stop here and loot this compound real quick, and then we're roll on.
Tons of 7 in this house. Barrel.
Oh no. I'm staying with the AK.
Quick. Look at this MK. Why not?
You like the MK over the mini?
Not really, but I haven't used the MK in a while, so I might as well. I didn't use the different gun.
There's a syringe here. There's a secret.
Even more 7s.
There's a secret basement key here. I just picked up.
That's fancy. Do you need an AK compensator? I mean, yeah, compensator for AR.
There's right here, yeah. Oh, there's a flash hider.
Here I go.
No, no, I don't.
Actual comp.
I don't need it. I'm using all suppressed.
Okay. I like it.
Hello, Lauren. I'm ready to go, bro.
Bruh. Bruv. Mate. This is probably gonna be my last match too, by the way, buddy.
Yeah, that's fine. It's after 10 o'clock anyway.
Yeah, it's 11. I gotta be in
It's,
work for 6 tomorrow, and then I got Winter's graduation. Oh, it's a glider. Hey, let's go.
Perfect. This is
Did you find a
battle
gas
royale.
can?
Yeah, I have one. Sure do.
Who are you talking to?
You.
You said this is a battle royale. You don't.
Oh, yeah, it's a person in my chat.
Oh.
Yeah. Before I do that, I'm gonna blow these tires out.
Okay. You got a sniper?
Yeah, I have. Oh, here I have an SLR that has lots of ammo. If you want it.
No. I was gonna say pop this UAS on my orange mark. Just 2 tires you can hit. 'Cause I think that's all you needed, right? It was 2 more.
7 total.
Because you did 1 back there plus this 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, because you had 3. Let's go.
Yeah, it's a battle royale. It's not an extraction shooter. I'm not a real big fan of extraction shooter games.
We could fly to. Oh, where is it on the map? I always forget.
What is it? What are you looking for?
There's like a set of. Oh, I think it's in there. Pachinki, maybe. No, it's not. Where the hell's this field? There's like a field somewhere that has like a bunch of broken down tanks. I want to say here.
Okay.
That's where a secret room is.
Oh, that it's right. Yeah, it's right there. It's right there in that area.
Yeah. Yeah. There's like tanks or something that are all blown up.
Like right in here, like something like that.
Mm-hmm. Or it might be this spot. Surprised they don't show the blown up tanks. Usually they show stuff like that. Oh, this is open here. Someone's been to Aranga.
That's it?
I mean, that's where the tanks are, but they're not. Oh, yep, that is it.
Is it?
Yeah, right on my orange. Oh, yeah, no, it is it. So they do show the tanks. Yeah, those 3 dots. Boom, boom, and boom are the tanks. And then the secret room is actually labeled on the map. That I'm kind of surprised by.
You like that?
All right. Yummy, 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 yummy.
You like that? Do you like that landing? That's the first time I've ever done that.
Oh, it's like smoothly landed?
Yeah. First time ever.
Question is, should I get a Balti instead of this?
No, if you're shooting from the glider, I wouldn't.
Okay.
Thank you for following.
No problem. All right, dude, we're owning. Alright, go away from the chicken. Go away. Yes! Yes! I don't see them, Captain. Oh.
Oh, they're. Oh.
Sounds like the hill here.
Yeah, they're here. I'm gonna stay this side. That way they have to. That way you have a
crest. I like that. Yeah, make them crest. Someone shooting us with a VSS or something? You hear that?
Yeah, it's fucking wild.
Something was whizzing by us. Those doors are open below us, dude. Up. Up. Up here. Where's all the people running in the wide open?
The compound right here. I'm gonna do some dumb shit right here.
Yeah, I see him. He's in the window though. It's kinda... Oh, what's in the? Oh, I hit him. I hit him 3 times. I think I saw him. I hit the other guy too. Oh, dude. Oh,
Damn, I wish I would
dirty
have seen that crate sooner. I would have smashed into it.
Someone just sniped at us. Oh,
Right
yeah,
here in that window.
Yeah. Oh. Can't get the angle anymore. Oh. Oh. This is where I sniped that guy. Oh, he's going for the crate. I hit him twice, 3 times, 4 times. Oh my god, I'm insane. He's hiding behind this shack. I'm gonna try and throw an aid at him.
Okay.
Hoppa.
Where do you want to jump? Take, because we're supposed to have to get out of this thing if I keep running wide open.
Ah! No, we're fine, bro. We live in the sky. We live by the sky, we die by the sky. Dude, I was smashing those people. I think they were gonna knock.
Look at that building, the compound over here to your right.
Yeah. I can't when you turn though, because the wing blocks my view. Yeah, it's a tough one to look at.
All right, we're coming back up on orange.
Okay. I can't tell where he's trying to snipe.
That first window on the left side. Oh shit, there's a tree. There's this green smoke right here in front of us.
There's a guy at the wizard too. Oh, I see the smoke. Yeah. Yeah, keep this exact angle. And slow down a little bit if you can. Nothing in the smoke. Everybody hates us, dude. Why's everybody got to hate on the glider, boys?
That building right there, is this still in?
Yeah. We don't want to go there, though. What are we supposed to do after?
I don't know.
Might as well try and hit these.
Is anybody here?
Yeah, they're in there.
Which building?
I made him go back inside immediately, though. He walked up on the balcony.
Oh, shit.
No, we're fine, bro. We're fine, bro. Don't panic, don't panic. Oh, they're right below us. They went to that building you were talking about. Oh, he's fighting. Dude, this is nuts.
Yep.
Oh, I hit the guy in the head? I think he died.
On orange?
Yeah.
Nope,
oh,
he
hit him
didn't.
again.
Ready?
Yep.
Haha, I didn't pull my parachute.
Oh, dude, it took me too long to be able to...
I couldn't pull my parachute.
Dude, I hate how the parachute blocks your view, though,
I
man.
agree.
Like, I know it's real. I know it's realistic, but it's like, ugh, it's such a...
I should have circled up real high and then jumped out.
Yeah. That's. I thought we were gonna go for something like that.
I've run out of fuel, to be honest with you. I was extremely low.
All right, well, GG's, bro.
Yeah, GG's.
It was fun.
I mean, any time that I can do glider
I had
stuff, I'm gonna do that.
244 damage, bro, with no knocks. That feels so bad. I definitely got headshots too. I was surprised I didn't knock anybody.
Yeah. I agree.
All right, it was fun.
You take care.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll catch you in the weekend.
Yeah, I'll be around all weekend. I don't have anything else going on.
All right, bro. Sunday morning is probably like the go-to thing to do.
I'll be here
I'll
Sunday
probably
morning for sure.
Definitely be available Sunday morning.
All right.
I'm in.
I'll try
You
to
take
get.
care
I'll
now.
try to con Camaro into joining.
Oh, that sounds nice. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Try and get high tech too. We'll do me, you, high tech, and Camaro. That's like a vintage Sunday morning.
It was vintage from something because it used to not be.
No,
But-
dude. Sunday mornings. Literally, I used to do easy like Sunday morning streams, and it was literally the four of us almost every Sunday.
Yeah, that was back in the. It was back in the day whenever you streamed,
Back
you
in
know.
the good old days. Yeah, I know.
What they
Shut
call
up.
what they call it?
All
Back
right,
in the
cool, bro.
gap.
Yeah, something like that.
All right, dude. Be
The
good.
old thigh gap.
All right, later, dude.
Bye.
Let's all go down to Milwaukee. They're riding around in a glider. Can't. They're Xbox players though. Bot on bot crime. I like that too. Let's all go down to Dumas Walker. And on out to my baby and me. Grandpa Gaming. Oh, Grandpa Gaming. Do you have follower only mode? Yep. So stupid. Cancel. Cancel. I'm not doing it. You put followers only chat on, I'm not raiding you. I'm sorry. I'm not hanging out. Sorry, dude. I was going to, but can't do the followers only thing. Followers only is a terrible feature. God, Nigel! Boys, don't get us wrong. I am too. What are you talking about? What's wrong? feel icky. He is on.
Finding all this stuff.
He's on Xbox. So
Well, it's never
it
good
is
when you
what it
find
is.
everything right away.
It is what it is. I'm tired of looking for people. So I appreciate you all. Appreciate the new follows. Appreciate the chats wherever you are. Appreciate everything. Have a good night. We will see y'all on the next episode of the Broke Gamer Show, probably this weekend. Okay, bye.